Hello friends, today I'm posting another video. It's from my collection of various videos. It's about Hyderabad, buses to Hyderabad, long distance buses, government buses, not private buses. And these buses can be from Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, or Andhra Pradesh. So various videos. In between these videos, I'll be interspersing various questions. These questions are not quiz questions, but basically questions that for which I don't know the answer. So I thought maybe some of you might be knowing the answer to it. So I thought I'll ask those questions also. I'll be sharing my travel experience also with this. So it'll be video, travel experience, questions, everything mixed together. So you can have a look at few videos, and I'll come back. And please remember that this video is only about government buses, not about private buses. I do have one question about private bus. I'll come to that later on. And only government buses. And also remember, this is not a list 1 2 3 4 list, not that like that list, but just a collection of videos. Okay, just have a look. My luck, I got a Hyderabad. I got to see a Hyderabad bus. Hyderabad gadi. Hubballi, Kadag, Koppala, Gangavati, Sindhanur, Raichur, Mahbub Nagar. Hubballi Depot, Leyland gadi. Chennai, Hyderabad, via Nellore. TSRTC, Garuda Plus. Intercity, Garuda Plus, Green Initiative. Biofuel, Green Telangana, Green Environment, Scania. I want this to be an interactive video, like not just the videos. Usually it would be just the videos. So videos, my experience, some questions, so that see when you see the comment section in all my bus videos, people would be discussing that this bus is there, this bus was started those so and so time, history they would be discussing, their own experience they will be sharing. So I thought, why just post videos rather than share the experience also. So it may look long, but you may like it also. So as an interactive video, this I am trying to make it as an interactive video. Hyderabad, Belagavi, Corona. Hyderabad, Bagalkot. Hyderabad, Bagalkot. Welcome back. And now I'll start with one of my experience. I'll first start with my experience. I have a few questions in that also. So my first experience was I have traveled from Bilaspur to Bangalore twice, around the year 2013, around that time, till Bangalore via Hyderabad. So that time my experience I'll just share. From Bilaspur to Nagpur, that is I traveled by train. It was called Shivnath Express. It arrives at Itwari, that is one stop previous to Nagpur junction, at around 4 a.m. At then it doesn't get the platform at Nagpur, so it slowly comes in at 6:30. Also sometimes it will take time, so it comes at 6:30. Then I would take an auto to the Nagpur bus stand. From there, the 6 o'clock Hyderabad bus would have left, MSRTC bus. 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. MSRTC bus would have left. The 6:30 I will be taking the bus to Pandarkavada, I think that name of the place is. It's a border between Andhra Pradesh. That time it was 2013, it was Andhra Pradesh, okay? Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra border. Here it was Pandarkavada, and this side, after some 50 kilometers around, it is Adilabad. So that bus I would be taking, and I used to come there. Now once I had the second time I had the chance, the train Shivnath Express came early to Nagpur junction. I went and I got the 6 a.m. bus. It was also late, I think. 6 a.m. bus directly to Hyderabad. Now this experience I will share it with you. This bus was really nice. My okay, first my question is, does this bus still continue? It was a red color MSRTC bus. It would start at 6 a.m. around the time from Nagpur, and some 12 hours journey, 8 o'clock around it will come to Hyderabad. Does it still continue? Second question is, the bus will come to sorry, Nirmal. Nirmal, the driver and conductor, both of them will get down, and a new driver and conductor will get into the bus. So that was the first time I am seeing that MSRTC changing the drivers and conductors in another state. Now, in the comment section of various videos, Maharashtra bus fans told me that usually driver and conductor change within the depot only. Like Pune to I don't know, Akalkot or somewhere one bus is there, or Gulbarga bus, I don't know. They change within Maharashtra only, they change. But this is the first time I was seeing that they were changing in Nirmal. Nirmal was in AP, now it is in Telangana. So they were changing in another state. They told me that they had a room in Nirmal bus stand itself. So they will be taking rest there. When the bus comes back the next day, daytime, they will change over again. So that was the first time I was seeing that. Is it still continued? That's my second question. So just my experience and your own answers. Then the third question is, are there any APSRTC? There used to be one APSRTC, 2013 I'm talking about, APSRTC bus to Nagpur. It was super luxury, I think, not Volvo, super luxury only, I think. It used to come there, and they also told me there was an express bus from Nirmal depot was there to Nagpur. Now it is TSRTC, right? So are there any TSRTC buses to Nagpur right now? That's my question. If you know, please do let me know. And someone told me there is a bus to Raipur also from Nirmal. Is it there up to Raipur, Nagpur, then it goes to Raipur, they told me. Is it there, or was it just an imagination of some bus fan? I don't know about that. Then my fourth question is, when I travel, the road between Nagpur and Adila, that is border, Pandarkawada, till there, the road was highway under construction. They had stopped the work and all. Some problem, they had stopped the work. It was not at all being constructed. People didn't know when it will be finished. Is it finished now? Nagpur to Pandarkawada from Andhra border, that is 2013 Andhra. Now it is Telangana. Telangana border to Hyderabad, it was 4-lane road. It was a good 4-lane road. So, and I'll share one more experience. This was not experience, some information. The Adilabad, there was, I had noticed from everywhere to Hyderabad, there used to be express buses. But only from Adilabad, there would be only super luxury buses of Adilabad depot. I don't know why that was. It was some 300 kilometers, I think. But they could have run express buses. It was cheaper also, and I like express buses, cheaper also ticket. But they used to run only super luxury buses. I don't know what was the reason for that. And Adilabad was nice. Actually, there and all, corn is quite famous. They don't apply that, what you call this, green color chili chutney and all. They don't apply. They just roast it and then give it. It's really nice. I loved traveling those 2 times to Adilabad and all. It was a nice experience. And I think there are a lot of MSRTC buses also that comes to Adilabad. So you can go back to the video. I'll come back again. Bus to Nanded from Hyderabad. Kamareddy, Nizamabad, Bodan, Biloli. Hyderabad, Deglur, Sangareddy, Pitlam, Shivshahi. Hyderabad, Humnabad, Kalaburgi. Hyderabad, Aurad. Hyderabad, Solapur, Shivshahi. Hyderabad, Solapur. Hyderabad, Umarga. Naladurga. Raichur, Hatti, Lingsugur, Koppala, non-AC sleeper. Such a long and beautiful bus stand, very very big, lots of base. Lot of parking place. Here's a metro. So now I completed with the Nagpur highway information and all, information and my experience. Let me go to Mumbai experience. Around 2009, I have traveled from Mumbai Central to Belagavi in Karwar bus. So that bus after Belagavi, I don't know what route it took. It didn't go to Hubballi. From Belagavi, it directly went to Karwar. So if you know the route, let me know. Anyway, from Mumbai to Pune, the expressway is there. No, when it was going, it was overtaken by one Volvo bus, APSRTC. 2009, it was APSRTC to Hyderabad. So that time only I realized that there is a bus to Mumbai from APSRTC. Is it still there? Now it is TSRTC, of course. Is it still there? I mean, when I ask, is it still there? I'm talking about before lockdown. Before lockdown, was there any bus to Mumbai from Hyderabad? Only one bus, is it? Only one Volvo, I think, must be there. So is it still there? And many of my viewers, Moiz Mohammed and Mithun Reddy, they and all share are from Kalaburgi region, Kalaburgi, Telangana, Tandur, those regions. They were sharing that they told that there are TSRTC buses from Paragi depot. Then Tandur also, I think one bus is there. And once in 2003 or sometime, I think I saw at Zahirabad one bus. It was coming from some other place. It was going to Mumbai. Zahirabad, I had seen one bus. So I think there is one express bus. How many express buses of TSRTC are there to Mumbai? This is something I want to know from you. It would be like an informative thing. Now I have a sub question from this. One bus I'm very interested. This is question number 4. This is question number 5. Question number 6. Like there is one bus from Karimnagar to Mumbai Borivali, and also beyond that to Dahisar or some place it goes. I want to know about this bus. Is it still there? Because when I asked some drivers of Karimnagar, they told it is not there. I think the route is like this: Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Bodhan. Then I think it goes to Latur. Then Latur, Barsi, Pune, Mumbai, Borivali, then Dahisar or some place. Is it still there, the TSRTC bus? Please let me know. And my another question is, TSRTC Hyderabad, Vijayapura, Kalaburgi, Ahmedabad, Zahirabad, Hyderabad, Baswana Bagi bus going from Tamil Nadu to Telangana by APSRTC, Chennai to Hyderabad via Nellore, Ongole, Miryalaguda, Nellore one depot. My other question is to Karnataka bus fans. While going through all my videos, I realized one thing, that from Bidar, Kalaburgi, Raichur, Ballari, Hospet, Koppal, Bagalkot, Vijayapura. If you take all these places, there are only 3 buses to Mumbai. That is Gurmitkal, Mumbai Borivali, then Shahpura, Sindagi, Indi, Solapur, Mumbai, and then the last one is Badami, Mumbai. So only 3 buses are there, I think. Am I right? Or there are a lot of buses to Pune, but for Mumbai only 3 buses only are there, I think. So am I right? Or are there any other buses for these districts, these cities and places? Only 3 only, I think, are there. Hyderabad, Kalaburgi. Bhatkal, Sirsi, Hubballi, Koppala, Gangavati, Sindhanur, Raichur, Hyderabad. One of the longest buses of NWKRTC, Bhatkal depot. Bhatkal, Hyderabad. Continuing with the Mumbai, sorry, it's a digression from Hyderabad. Mumbai, I have one doubt. As far as I know, only once I have been to Mumbai, so I don't know much about Mumbai. There is one bus stand called Mumbai Central. That's where Bangalore, Mysore, and Mangalore also was starting, but now that bus is cancelled, it is only up to Pune. Then Ranebennur 3 buses start. Then the most of the Karnataka buses, they go to a bus stand called Kurla, I think. Mumbai Central, Kurla, Panvel. These 3 bus stands I have seen. Panvel is where a lot of NEKRTC, because a lot of people from Kalyana, Karnataka are in Panvel. So Panvel, I think, is related to Navi Mumbai. Am I right? I don't know much about Mumbai, so I'm just asking a question. Panvel means it is nearby to Navi Mumbai, I think. So a lot of people board the buses at Panvel also. So these are the main bus stands. There is also, after seeing the Gurmitkal bus, I understood that there is one bus stand called Borivali also. So I think these are the 4 bus stands, right? Central, Kurla, Panvel, Borivali. 4 bus stands is it? And of course there is Kalyan, Thane and all, that is outskirts. Hyderabad Karwar bus. TSRTC buses, I'm sure Hyderabad bus, if it is still there, I think it goes to Mumbai Central. What about other buses, other TSRTC buses, where do they go? Do they go to Kurla or do they go to Central? Here is a unique bus from Hyderabad to Visakhapatnam, but via Bhadrachalam and Sealuru, very long route, ultra deluxe bus. APSRTC, VSP depot. I think that is the longest ultra deluxe bus of APSRTC. Always crowded it is. If you were to consider, let me open a new page. If you were to consider the distance between from Hyderabad to various long distances, Chennai, Vizag, Shirdi. I think Shirdi there is one bus from TSRTC. If you know the route, please let me know. I think it comes via Humnabad. So Shirdi, then Nagpur. Nagpur is 500 kilometers only. Vizag is 600 plus. This is also 600 plus. Shirdi also I think 600 to 700. Mumbai also 700 or something I think. But the longest I think is Mangaluru. So I'll share one small experience from Mangaluru. Mangaluru bus stand I have seen APSRTC Volvo bus. I vaguely remember. That was some 15 years ago I think I saw APSRTC. That time it was. What route did it take from Hyderabad to Mangaluru? Was it Shivamogga route or Hubballi route? The current KSRTC bus takes the Hubballi route I think. It goes to up to Ankola, no, not Ankola, then Sirsi Hubballi or Ankola Hubballi, Raichur, Hyderabad. So I think this is the longest. This comes to around 800 plus. So this is the longest government bus coming to Hyderabad from any other state. So I'm talking about government bus. Kanapur Depot, Belagavi, Hyderabad, Belagavi, Unugund, Bagalkot, Raichur, Mehboob Nagar, Hyderabad. Hyderabad, Belagavi, Hyderabad, Mehboob Nagar, Raichur, Hyderabad, Mehboob Nagar, Raichur, Bagalkot, Belagavi, Hyderabad, Bellary. Hyderabad, Hospete, Hyderabad, Raichur, Sindhanur, Gangavati, Hospete. Private bus, if you just consider for 1 second, I think some people had commented that Hyderabad to Delhi there was one private bus. It is not running anymore. Even before lockdown, it was stopped. It since it was not profitable or some problem, I think. So it was there. It since. Can you tell me the route from Hyderabad? It goes to Nagpur. From Nagpur to Delhi, what was the route that bus took? There is a luggage rack, Amravati, Visakhapatnam, MGBS Amravati. Sorry, MGBS Visakhapatnam, Amravati. Other thing is the luggage rack. Luggage rack is not there. This is a long distance travel. They could have kept a luggage rack. I mean, they could have lived into it. Mangalore, Hyderabad. Hyderabad, depot number 2. Via Udupi, Manipal, Kundapura, Raichur, Hospet, Hyderabad, Hospet, Gangavati, Sindhanur, Raichur, Hyderabad. The another question to Karnataka bus fans. See, there are only one bus from Kalaburgi to Mumbai, right? That is the Borivali, that is the Gurmitkal Borivali bus. So if that is the case, this Pargi and Tandur buses going to Mumbai, some people told that it goes via bypass or ring road of Kalaburgi. Why doesn't it go inside the bus stand? They'll get a lot of people, right? Because there are not many buses to Mumbai, so they'll get a lot of passengers, right? So why don't they go inside the bus stand? That's a question. And these buses, the buses going from Zahirabad or Hyderabad to Mumbai, they will be going via Humnabad, right? Do they go inside the bus stand or do they go by bypass? Because if they go inside the bus stand, they'll get passengers, right? From Bidar, people who are coming for either for Mumbai, or from Humnabad itself, those who want to go to Mumbai and all, they'll be Chincholi, all those places, they'll come to Humnabad, right? So do they go inside the bus stand? Belagavi 3rd depot, Hyderabad, Ilkal, Raichur, Bagalkot, Belagavi. Here is the bus. Hyderabad, Mehboob Nagar, Raichur, Manavi, Sindhanur, Gangavati, Hospete, Harihara, Shivamogga. Raichur Division, Sindhanur. Here is Hyderabad, Shivamogga, Volvo, Club Class. It belongs to Shivamogga Depot. One bus in this video that I have not included is Mysuru, Hyderabad. I have seen that bus many times, but I have not taken the video of it. Mangalore Vibhaga, Udupi, Hyderabad. Udupi 11:30 AM, Kundapura, Shivamogga, Harihara, Hospete, Raichur, Mehboob Nagar, Hyderabad. Very, very long distance bus. KSRTC. Rajahansa. One more bus I forgot to add is from Kadamba. The Goa government bus is from I think Panaji or Vasco. I don't remember. Is there to Hyderabad. Route I don't remember. It comes to Kalaburgi that I'm sure. Kalaburgi, Humnabad, Hyderabad. That I know. This side Belagavi, Chorlaghat, Panaji. I think Panaji or Vasco. So from Belagavi is there Gulbarga. From between Kalaburgi and Belagavi, what route does it take? What route does this bus take? Is it still there? I mean, before lockdown, was it still operating? I think it was Volvo bus, not express bus, but Volvo, I think.